In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your LinkedIn link to your Outlook signature. Whether you want to enhance your professional digital presence or just share your professional profile with colleagues effortlessly, adding your LinkedIn profile to your email signature is a simple and effective way to do it. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Outlook. This can be done by typing in the web address or selecting a saved bookmark if you have one. Once you've reached the Outlook homepage, the first thing to do is log into your account. Enter your email address and password to access your inbox. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. This menu gives you access to various customizable options for your Outlook account, so it's a useful area to familiarize yourself with. Once the settings menu is open, look for the section labeled Account and click on it. This step leads you to the main account management area, where you can make changes to your profile, preferences, and other account settings. With the Account section open, you should see an option labeled Signatures. Go ahead and click on that. Email signatures often include your name, job title, and contact information. Adding your LinkedIn link here can help recipients of your emails easily find and connect with you professionally. Now that you're in the Signatures section, it's time to create a new signature. Look for the button labeled New Signature and click on it. You'll see a blank text area where you can begin crafting your new signature. In this blank space, you can start typing out the details you want to include in your signature. It might look something like this: Best regards, followed by your name, job title, and other contact details. Once you're satisfied with your text, move your cursor to where you want your LinkedIn link to appear. Finally, go to your LinkedIn profile page. Open a new tab in your browser. Navigate to LinkedIn and log in if you haven't already. Find your profile and copy the URL from the address bar. Go back to the Outlook signature editor and paste this URL in the designated spot at the bottom of your signature. Make sure the link is clickable by selecting it and choosing the hyperlink option if available. That wraps up our tutorial. Once you're done, remember to save your changes and exit out of the settings menu. From now on, whenever you send an email, recipients will be able to access your professional LinkedIn profile easily, helping you to network efficiently and professionally. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!